like it is so hot out today. Today we're going to be doing a furniture flip. Not exactly a whole furniture flip, but we're just gonna make some covers for my new stool. Hi, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Ruvie, and on this channel we do sewing DIYs, everything to do with sewing with a sprinkle of lifestyle. If that's your thing, go ahead and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy our show. So I got this stool off of Facebook Market for like 50 rand, and then I had to get it to me, which was a bit pricey, but nonetheless it was still affordable and cheap. So I needed a stool for my room, that's why I got it. So today we're going to be making some stool covers and cleaning it up so that it fits the aesthetic of my room and it's just all cute and nice. So this is the stool that I got. Pretty nice. I like that. Now I can come into the videos and be like, hi guys, you know. So it's pretty nice. It's still pretty much in good condition, except for it's just a little dirty down here, you know. So we're gonna clean that up and get it in nice stinking shape. I'm sweating out here and I haven't even started doing anything. It's so hot. Okay, so we got some water. And we got a brush. And maybe so I went in with this to shine it up, and look at that, it's even glistening. She is shiny. It's all nice and clean now. So we're going to go and do the covers for the seat. I didn't want to wash the seat because it's winter and I don't trust Cape Town weather. Today might be sunny, tomorrow might be a different story, so I didn't want it to not dry and then start stinking. So we're just gonna make the covers and switch out the covers when it's dirty. To cut out the covers for the chair, I'm going to be measuring across the chair 17 inches and vertically across it 15.5 inches, and then the thickness of 2.5 inches. So I'm going to be using this fluffy fabric I got at my local fabric store. I measured 2.5 inches and marked that down, and from that point measured 17 inches and marked that down, and then added another 2.5 inches, marked that down, and this is horizontally, and then went vertically 2.5, and then the 15.5, and then another 2.5. So this is going to make sure that the cover goes around the chair nice and snug. Started cutting out on the brown fabric, and then I laid the brown fabric rectangle on top of the pink one and just pinned it down and cut around it to have the same exact shape. Making sure that the fabric covers the chair. I almost thought I cut it a bit too small, but I think we can work with this. I'm also going to be rounding the sides of the rectangle so that at the finishing end it like literally snugs into the top of the chair. Now we're going to hem around the fabric. We're just gonna fold in about an inch on the wrong side of the fabric, and then we're gonna do a top stitch around and leave a little bit of an opening on any side. And then after sewing, this is how it's looking like, and this is the outside. It's a bit tacky, but okay. That's the little hole I left out. We're going to insert our elastic through that, measuring the elastic around the stool. So we're going to be using less than what we just measured, about 5 inches less, and then we're gonna put in our elastic through the channel that we just made, pulling everything in, and that's our first cover. I tied the elastic and pushed it in and did a top stitch and secured that. Now testing out how this thing came out, pretty okay. I feel it's a bit small, but for now I think it can do. Next time I'll make sure I make it a little bit bigger so that it really covers everything nicely. And here's the pink one. I really like how this one came out because the pink ties in the colors on my dresser where I'm going to be putting my stool, like just super cute. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and see you guys in my next one.